So this is my very first me on camera, speaking, talking, the whole deal. Anyone who knows me knows that this is not really my thing, but over the last 5 years, probably one of my biggest asks is for videos on how to do breathing techniques, how to do yoga poses, etc. And so I decided 2020 was the year. I'm gonna get in front of the camera. I'm gonna suck it up. And so, hi, I'm Jenna. I am the owner of YogiNest, and I am a yoga and mindfulness coach in Los Angeles. I also do coaching online. I am from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Very proud to be from Milwaukee, but I absolutely love Los Angeles. I definitely belong here. No offense, Wisconsin. I love Wisconsin. Always will. Special place in my heart. I just really love LA. It fits me well. I like that there's so much you can do here. You can be in the city. You can be, out in Ventura picking strawberries. You can be in Big Bear snowboarding or in Santa Monica surfing. It's driving distance to Vegas and all these wonderful, beautiful places, and I love it. I know that it gets has a really bad reputation, but I think if you just find your people, it's a really great place. I just actually moved to Studio City. We just bought a house in Studio City. I live with my boyfriend. I've been with him for almost 7 years. His name is Neil. We have a dog who's here always, never leaves my side. She's my wart, Lily. She's my teaching assistant. And we have 2 cats, Mika and Cricket. I'm sure that you'll see them too. A quick little why YogiNest, what is YogiNest? I have an autoimmune disease called lupus. It is where my immune system attacks healthy cells in my body like it would a cold or the flu. Currently, there is no cure for it. What is happening here? Currently, there is no cure for it. And so I have to learn how to deal with it through my diet, keeping my stress levels low, through yoga and mindfulness and meditation, which brings me to YogiNest. Yoga practices, mindfulness and meditation changed my life. It helped me get in touch with myself, understand physically what was going on in my body, and emotionally how I was feeling about that. And I decided to start my own business, start YogiNest. In 2015, when I started YogiNest, it was very different than what it is now. I'm currently going through a rebrand. When I started my business, I was teaching yoga and meditation and mindfulness to anyone that was eager, that wanted to learn about it. And 5 years later, I'm transitioning my business into yoga and mindfulness coaching for healing trauma. Whether that trauma is an illness, a traumatic experience that maybe happened to you, things like that. And it is really powerful practice. I notice it in my life. It has changed my life. It's changed not only my relationship with myself, but also with every single person in my life. I'm in remission from my lupus, and that feels really incredible. I struggled with that for a really long time until I found breathing techniques and meditation and yoga and mindfulness practices. That's really me in a nutshell. I'm super awkward and uncomfortable in front of a camera, so that should be really fun for you guys to watch. But I hope that you stay tuned, and I hope that I can teach you so many cool things about yoga and meditation and mindfulness, and how it can help you find stress relief from anxiety, depression, emotional traumas, and the emotional toll that illness can take on your body. It's very emotional to be sick. And this can really help you. So I hope that I can provide some really incredible things for you, and it's nice to put a face and a voice and a personality behind YogiNest, even though it's really hard for me. So bear with me as I awkwardly make my way through putting myself in front of the camera for you. But it was really nice meeting you, and I'll be making lots of new videos soon. So stay tuned.